Hi everyone, welcome to day 4 of the British Nutrition Foundation Healthy Eating Week, and today is going to be talking about cooking meals and being a chef. I would say don't follow my instructions because I am not a chef. I am a wellbeing coach and physical activity coach, so my meals are very basic and simple. So what they're asking us to do is to try new recipes and plan a cook from scratch. I'm going to have a drink because I've got a sore throat. It's stuck in my throat. Plan to cook a meal from scratch at least once a week. Now, I try to do this on a daily basis, try and cook things from scratch rather than buying any kind of packaged meals, because then at least you actually know what's actually in the product, in the meal, what you're making. Share your recipe ideas with your friends and family so you can get lots of different ideas and different menus for yourself, and find a new recipe for each day of the week and make it. Then take photos and share with your friends and family. Now, I know a few people who do this. I see them on the Facebook. So have a think about different recipes, not just cooking, about cakes and things like that, about having your meals. Sharing your meals. Now, they do say to try and, when you have your meals, is to try and put them in rainbow colours. So make sure that you've got plenty of all the different colours of the rainbow so that you know you're getting your nutritional. And to try and reduce the number of brown foods you eat, so i.e. potatoes, and also what's brown, like wheat foods. They try not to eat too much brown. It's about having bright colours on your plate. Cook something special to celebrate this week. So if you're going to cook something special, add it to the group. Let us see what meals you've made and give us the recipes and tell us what recipes have actually what you've done. And yeah, let's see whether we can do it. When you're cooking from scratch though, reduce the salt intake, so don't put too much salt in it, because that can actually help with your blood pressure, bring your blood pressure down if you reduce your salt intake. You won't need a little bit of salt, because then otherwise you might start getting cramps. And reduce your sugar and your fat content. Grill and bake it rather than fry. And there's lots of places to find recipes online. We've got the British Art Foundation do recipes, and there's a greengiant.com, I think it is. I will be sharing some recipes today throughout the day, so that you can actually have a try of some of the ideas. I think some of the things what are actually in the foods I actually don't eat. I have reduced them and cut them out, like to do with gluten and things like that. And also I have thyroid problems, so there are certain foods I'm not allowed to eat to keep my thyroid under control. But that is my personal choice and personal belief within my body. So let's have a look, see what recipes you can make, and let's have a look at ours. And what I will do is I will be sharing the ones from the British Nutrition Foundation. If you do cook them, let me see them and see what's up, and share your ideas. You're welcome to share them within the group, within this group, Transforming Your Life, and so we can get different ideas. And if you want to share the recipe as well, that would be great. So have a lovely day, and I hope that you found that beneficial. So let's get cooking. Speak to you soon.